Welcome back to our channel! Today we are doing a Valentine's Day look, as you can see.
We've never done this before, like doing the same eyeshadow look together.
We've never matched our makeup, so this is the first time, especially on our channel.
So as you know, I have hooded eyes.
And I have deep set eyes. So we're just going to go in and show you the technique that we use between both of our eye shapes, and we're just going to show you how we create this look.
Exactly, so give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe if you like our channel.
I need a Spice Girl.
The first color we're going to use is this pink. So we're just going to start going in. So we're going to try to keep the color in our crease, right?
Yes, mostly in our crease and not blend it up too high. We're gonna go in with our second hot pink shade and just really build up the pink and show you guys how we do it.
So we're just putting it the same exact way. You don't want to bring it too far up, and you also don't want to put too much right here because we are going to be lightening that up. We're going to go in and we're going to deepen our crease with this Vanilla Red. I'm not too sure if that's how you say it, but we're just going to go in now.
Exactly.
The flat brush, we're going to go back in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and grab the 3 lightest shades, mix them all together, and just put them straight on right
our
here.
inner lids.
Yes.
With the Anastasia palette and go in with Red Orange and Love Letter.
So we're just going to start putting them in our crease just to darken them back up, since we did put a lighter color in our inner lid.
Yes. Ooh, I really love these color schemes.
For Valentine's Day, it's so pretty.
It is. It gives you that romantic, almost sexy vibe.
Like, and who doesn't want a colorful look? Well, where's
Natural bitches.
natural riches? We're going to quickly go over and spray our faces just because we want our eyeshadows to be really set. We're going to go in with the ABH palette and take their brightest highlight color, and we're just going to start to highlight our brow bones.
I like to bring it almost like up to the tip of my brows. I don't know why, but it makes the look more complete to me. Yeah, same. I always forget to highlight my brow bone, but it is one of the most important steps I feel like when you do your makeup. Definitely.
Very quickly, we're going to go in with the NARS concealer and just clean up our edges. I'm going to go in with a brush.
I'm going to go in with this sponge, and we're just going to both apply it. Well, we're going to both just apply it and go in, and you'll see how we both do it.
And I really just go, how I find the point is to go with my brow. So like make sure my brow and the point kind of meet in the end kind of.
You did yours fast.
Yeah, it goes pretty fast when I use a sponge. I got these at Dollar Tree. So I basically just put some on my hand, go like this, and just drag. And it usually cleans it up pretty nice for me.
Yeah, and then now, after this, you just take your fluffy beauty blender and just clean up the edges.
Go in with a clean brush and with some concealer on it and just go in and do our cut creases. As you know, I have hooded eyes, so it's a little harder to do cut creases on hooded eyes, but you really just have to bring it up.
And I have deep set eyes, so these aren't too hard, but I always bring them above my crease line just to make it look a lot bigger.
And also for this look, we're only doing a half cut crease because those are our favorites. And
we just finished our cut crease. Now we're going to go in with a flat brush. We're going to grab some white and we're just going to set our concealer that we just did our cut crease on.
just kind of pat it in.
Make sure that it's not going to crease up after you put your other colors in.
Go in with just some pink eyeshadow and blend in our cut crease, making an ombre effect also.
We're going to go in with a darker color at the end and fill in right here, but for now we're just going to go in with some light sheer pinks and just blend in. We're going to take some Fix Plus, we're going to spray it on our brush. We got some white eyeshadow from the BH Cosmetics and we're just going to re-go over our white just so it pops out more.
Oh wow.
The middle front lids to make our eyes appear more larger and beautiful. And just so I could do the cut crease, like the lighting of it very precise. And just darken this up and just blend it back out so the silver white eyeshadow does not have too big of an effect of the ombre. I don't know if that makes sense, but whatever. It does. I think it does.
So we're going to go in with the eyelash glue and put it right in the middle for our sparkles because we find it easiest for our sparkles to stay on like this. So
we just brush it along like this very easily, and then we're just going to take our brush, dip into the glitter that we want, which is obviously going to be pink. We just gently set it in there.
Just like that.
This is what we have so far. So we're gonna go in with some eyeshadows on our bottom lids and just color those in with some pinks.
and reds.
Yeah.
And put this silver color in our inner corners to really brighten up the points of our eyes. Like, you see how beautiful it also transitioned the colors.
And you just want to make sure that it's not too harsh on the outside, so you're going to want to blend it out just a little bit. But we are mainly keeping this in our
inner corners and making it pop.
To be very pretty and to be very noticeable when you turn your eyes.
Oh, your eyes, because my eyes are hooded.
Now we're just going to apply mascara and lashes. So our lashes are done. We're going to go and put some hearts on our face because it's Valentine's Day, and you'll see exactly what we're about to do.
So we just added our own spunk and creations to our look. I just added a little silver dot right there and some hearts on each side of my lids.
And I added 2 hearts in the middle, which I actually cut through a little foam thing. So then I put some lipstick on it and just put it on. I put some sparkles on it. And then I also did a little, like, Cupid's heart bow thing. So we're about to go in with our lipsticks.
I'm going in with this NYX pink.
And I'm using this little baby MAC one. So let's see what those look like.
So after this, we're about to go to this papaya contest for the first time in Portland.
And we are so excited to be able to try, was it 17 contestants?
Yes, 17 contestants, a different type of papaya.
And different type of made from different cultures too.
Exactly. There's Hmong people, there's Vietnamese,
There's Laos.
there's all types.
Thai, like there's just all types. So we're so excited. We're gonna have a separate vlog, so look out for that. That will be posted probably the next day after this one, but look out for that one.
So now we're just going in with our lips, or a new shade, and just ombreing our lips because we really didn't like our first lipstick.
So we're just gonna go in and with another color, just blend it out into a color that we do enjoy.
So this is our final Valentine's Day look.
I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed
I
it.
hope you guys learned some new tricks and tips.
And I hope you guys enjoyed the way that we did our makeup today. Feel free to add hearts and stuff to your look when you guys see this.
So give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe if you like our channel. Thank you for watching!